Welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a sweet treat with a unique appearance and a crispy, delicious flavor. I am going to share the recipe for Ivy dessert, sarmasık tatlısı. For the syrup, let's take 1.5 cups of sugar, which is 250 grams, into a pot. Add 250 milliliters of water. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and place it on the stove. Once it starts boiling, let it simmer on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat and add 2 heaping tablespoons of honey. Mix it well and let it cool. Melt 120 grams of butter and once it cools down, transfer it into a mixing bowl. Add 250 milliliters of water. 1 egg. 1 packet of vanilla. Add a pinch of salt with the tip of a teaspoon and mix well. Initially, I added 3 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add flour and start kneading the dough. I used a total of 5.5 cups of flour. As you can see, the dough should be soft and not sticky. Cover it and let it rest for about half an hour. Then divide it into 10 equal portions and shape them into balls. Cover them with a plastic bag and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Next, sprinkle some flour on the counter and roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Try to roll it into a rectangular shape as it will be easier this way. Then trim the edges to make it 15 by 22 centimeters using a pastry wheel. As shown in the video, cut slits about half a centimeter wide. In the center of the dough, leave about a half finger width on both sides of the dough. Cut slits right in the middle section. Then separate them. Make sure the rolled out dough is lightly floured to prevent sticking. Fold it as shown in the video. Fold it again. Smooth and seal the edges. Just like you see in the video. Shape it accordingly. Our dessert is ready to shape, as you can see. Let's prepare all our dough pieces this way. Look, I'd like to show it again. It's a delightful and visually stunning dessert with syrup and a crispy texture. After shaping all the desserts, heat a generous amount of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the desserts into the pan. Use a fork to adjust and ensure they fry evenly. Once both sides are golden brown, drain the excess oil and transfer them into the cooled syrup. You don't need to keep them in the syrup for too long. Flip them over to coat both sides and remove them from the syrup. I found the syrup amount to be a bit less, so I recommend making double the quantity. I prepared some extra syrup to coat all the desserts completely. As you can see in the video, it's a crispy and delightful syrupy dessert with a beautiful appearance and flavor. I look forward to your likes and comments.